Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Satyo and hello fellow sapiens. You are watching Mo Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. Today we are on a Sunday ride to Ramnagar and this here what you see is Kanwa Reservoir. We started early in the morning around 6 am from Bangalore towards Mysore Road. Kanwa Dam is anywhere between 50 to 70 kilometers from Bangalore depending on the location that you stay. This spot is located near Ramnagar as I mentioned earlier. As we approached, we missed the deviation that we had to take towards the left of Mysore Expressway to reach Kanwa Dam. The reservoir is actually located towards the right of Mysore Expressway, and in order to reach there we'll have to take the overbridge that we can see here, which will help us cross the Mysore Expressway. So we had to quickly trace the path back to the deviation that we missed. Two-wheelers are strictly prohibited on Mysore Expressway now. But as we cruised along the service roads adjacent to the Mysore Expressway, I just remembered the good old days when we were allowed to ride on this expressway. As we glided along, we could spot the backwaters of Kanwa Dam besides the village roads that we rode through. This here is the main entrance, and the board above has Kanwa Jalashaya written on it in Kannada, which directly translates to Kanwa Reservoir. But there was no way to get in. So we had a short discussion and decided to go around to see what we find. Kanwa Dam was built on Kanwa River in the year 1946 to serve as a source for irrigation purposes to the surrounding areas. It is about 15 kilometers long and covers 776 hectares or 1920 acres. It was built with the advice of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. I sometimes wonder how many massive structures did Sir M. V assist with in his lifespan. We found a good spot to park our bikes at the end of the fence and to soak in the view that it had to offer. This spot is good for picnics and a weekend getaway from Bangalore. This is a very good spot for bird watching too. The only request and appeal that I have is not to litter such beautiful locations. So that's it. I have exhausted all the information that I had to provide. I'll let you enjoy the view now. Request to like, share and subscribe for more. Also, add your valuable suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.